Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Tay Slays, also known as Taylor. So in today's video, I am basically going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. So it's kind of like my foundation routine and everything. Usually what I would wear on an everyday basis when I do decide to wear makeup. So I didn't put lashes on, which is usually what I wear, but I didn't feel like putting lashes on. I kind of wanted to just focus mainly on the skin, doing something super natural, you know, with my lashes, you know, my real lashes or whatever. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also make sure you tap the notification bell so that you get updates whenever I upload a video. So you might not be too sold, you know, pressing the notification button because it's like, girl, you about to be gone for like another few months. Girl, if you watch my last video, I said if you see another video after that one, it means that I am trying. And sis, I am trying. I am trying, okay? So if you're not sold on this one, wait till the next one. And there will be a next one because, girl, I'm filming a video again, honey. So I suggest you just, you know, don't waste your time. Just, you know, tap the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, you know. So yeah, but if you don't believe me, that's fine. I'm gonna just prove to you, you know, actions speak louder than words anyways. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are interested in how I achieve this look, my everyday basic look, I suggest you keep on watching and please enjoy the video and the music because it's not gonna be a voiceover or a talk through. It's just straight music. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and please give me some feedback down in the comments. And yeah, so thank you guys so much and have a great one. Peace. Mwah.